make My Measurement Assistant Plus as easily accessible as possible, we recommend either installing it as an app on your PC or as pinning it to your taskbar. In Chrome, you can do this by the settings for your browser, coming to Cast, Save and Share, and selecting the Create shortcut to this page. What you can then do is pin this to your taskbar or to your start file. When you then open this from your start or your desktop, if you save it in there, it will open you directly to the website. And once you're in the website, you also have the option to pin that to the top of your window browser as well as an alternative. This way, My Measurement Assistant is always easily accessible when you need it.